C21 Real Estate Brokerage has been in the Kearney area since the early 1970s. Hello, I'm Patrick Slack, broker owner of the real estate division of C21 Midlands. Our mission statement is to be the best and most professional real estate fiduciary for our customers and clients. And by doing so, accountability, integrity, and honesty play a part. Being the new broker owner of C21 Midlands, I focused on my mission statement and selected those agents that met the personality traits to fulfill that mission statement for our clients.
I'm Alexis McNeil, the owner-broker for C21 Midlands Property Management. I've been with this office for 29 years, and we handle a wide variety of residential and commercial real estate. We manage property for a number of different property owners, large and small, as well as types of rentals for every different individual. That's the best part of this job, is that we get to meet a lot of new folks that are moving to the community and work with such a wide, different variety of clients.
I look at my client satisfaction as my satisfaction, whether that's helping my buyer client find the right home, negotiate, or helping my seller client market their home. Or it may have nothing to do with buying or selling, maybe just answering questions, getting them information. That's essentially what I do, is I provide that professional guidance and direction and help that my client needs. And when I see my client and they're happy, that's what makes me feel good.
Integrity and accountability are two of my personal core values that I try to live out on a daily basis. So I try to do that with my customers and clients as well. I'm going to go above and beyond to get the job done. I'm going to walk the talk, and I'm going to be honest in all things. Accountability, when working with my clients, know that they can hold me accountable to the code of ethics. They're going to know that, again, I have their best interests first and foremost, and they're going to know that they can hold me accountable for my actions while working with them currently as well as in the future.
Within a real estate transaction, there's a lot of things that can derail. It's always nice to know up front. On the home inspection, you want to stay within your deadlines, make sure you're on task. And then when you receive the inspection report, make sure you don't intertwine your emotions with that also. And there's always more than one solution.
I've had a lot of different job descriptions as a realtor: pet sitter, general contractor, you name it. Anything that the client needs is providing that service. Not only is service the number one key of having a smooth transaction, it just provides that level of professionalism that you're looking for.
We work hard and strive to be the best possible real estate agents we can be for our clients. We're not just here to be the biggest real estate brokerage, we're here to be the best.